Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Morning, depends on your time and where you are watching from. It's a very short broadcast. I remain your brother, your friend, Dada Massis. For the past days, I never do video, and I will say I don't want to do video for them because I'm very tight up. But when you have to do with the life of our brothers and sisters, our mom and our dad in those states, and you have to do with the masses. We not feel food our hand. Oh, good evening, my brother. God bless you. We not feel food our hand. Like people like us, we prefer to talk about masses than to talk about individual. I prefer to talk about masses than to talk about individual because my name carried that masses. Whether I get it in the wrong way or I get it in the right way, whether I offend people, whether I don't offend people, but what matters is that we must speak when it comes to masses issue. It's a very short program. It's a very short broadcast that I'm about to do, and you can see the topic right there. Message to Governor Godwin Obaseki. You guys are. Let's just go straight to the point. Thank you, guys. Please, the only way you can do favor for me right now on this broadcast is for you to share this broadcast and invite your friends back home in Africa or Nigeria or in Europe or all over the continent, and give this video a thumbs up. And please do me a favor by sharing the video. That will make the video go a very long way. So let's talk about the announcement from the governor of Edo State, His Excellency Godwin Obaseki. Today, I'm not going to be using some vocal word. I will just try to be constructive so that any officials or any government officials or any dignitaries that will come across the video, we know the pain of the masses and we understand it more better. So, His Excellency Godwin Obaseki was in ITV or it was the press press release that anybody that did not vaccinate himself, not go fit go hospital, not fit go church, not fit go bank and many others. And with that call, meaning all Edo sons and daughter must vaccinate. They say, "Hey, good evening, mama. Good evening, mama. I greet you, mama. We are talking about mommy." So everybody must at least vaccinate yourself before you can do anything. Meaning, say now force now. And the question we are supposed to be asking our governor right now, not for anybody to take the vaccine is the problem. Any country may the governor want the phone saying what they no say na technocrats. May the phone saying they look there now. You should go and look at the countries. You should go and look at the country that is telling their citizens to go and vaccinate themselves. Some of the country are bribing a citizen Guinean. They are well kept. They also do wayana paying. When you stay at home, some of them stay at home, they will pay them. Just to confuse, just to buy their mind so that they can go and do the vaccination. I don't know if you understand. Me, I never take the vaccination, but I don't do the test. You know, understand? I already do the test, but I never take the vaccination because I never get the reasonable, as in, they never tell me above the reasonable that for me to just go see my go PS. But as I did, I can show you my test, my result. I already do the result, but to PS, I never PS. You understand? Okay. Let's talk about the governor of Edo State. The same all of our mama, our papa, our brothers, our sisters, but governor, is that our number one priority? Is that our number one problem in Edo State right now? That should be your question. The governor of Edo State. The way bandits don't take kill people for Edo State, coronavirus never kill anybody. The way bandit, Fulani Esme bandit, kidnapper, arm robber, don't they terrorize our people, kill, they rape our mama, rape our sisters. Some of our sisters, they are pregnant today for Fulani X-Men. Some of our mothers today cannot access their farm because of Fulani X-Men. You have never speak about this bandit that is terrorizing us from Benin Aunchi Road, from part of Iyokoriomo, part of our forest. You have never issued a statement for that. You have not even condemned the heart. Whether you adopt them or you did not adopt them, or you are against them or you are with them, you have never issued any statement when it comes to. Now you are claiming you want to protect the life of those, which we accept that as a governor. For you to reproduce, your number one priority is to protect the life and property. But in your case right now, you don't protect life. You protect your personal interest and what you are going to gain from your MOU. Tell us if you have signed MOU with China. You don't use the people of Edo State, they sign MOU. Just tell us that, okay, we have signed MOU so that if my people, I will sign MOU with you, my state will be the first to start vaccinating. Tell us if you have used the people of Edo State to sign MOU. Because in full Nigeria, I think Edo State is the first state that is making this kind of a public announcement to a state. And we are the state that have not even, as in the time of the COVID, Edo State did not even, as in, get to the 10 top COVID, corona patient people. We don't even get to 10. So the question is this: why is it now that the state that did not even know what COVID looks like, the time of the COVID-19, they are not the first people to be vaccinated in Nigeria? Tell me, have you used Edo people to sign MOU? We want to know. It's just a question. If we have not used them to sign MOU by the Chinese, by the COVID people, you are supposed to know that our problem is more than COVID. The bandit terrorizing our state, he have killed more than COVID. COVID have never killed anybody in Edo State. But bandits and the terrorizing people, they have killed 1,000 people. Baba, now this is belong, but you work as number no Baba. We'll talk about Prince Bobby. I greet you, General. The way Boko Fulani X-Men, kidnappers, robbers are killing our people in Benin Aunchi Road, in various parts of our forest. COVID-19 have not even killed anybody in Edo State. Why can't you tackle the insecurity going on in your state? Why can't you come out and condemn the act of these Fulani X-Men? Or condemn the act of those cattle rears in Edo State, in our forest? You must say something, whether you adopt them or you are. There's a word in the Bible that says, whether you are, you say if you can't beat them, you join them. You must let us know that, okay, yes, I am not in support of this Fulani X-Men, kid, all those things, or I'm in support of them, but you have not even issued a statement. But we come to vaccination, I don't know if another state, but our state is the first state now that is trending that we are the first people to start taking the COVID vaccination. We are not against that. I'm not against anybody that want to take it. But they say what is worth doing is worth doing well. You must look the masses, the people you are governing. You must look at their problem first. You must look what they are facing first. You must see the good thing that they need or the bad thing they need. What Edo State need right now is not a COVID test. What Edo State need right now is the insecurity going on in their state. The way kidnappers, robbers, Fulani X-Men in one state. Governor, this is not like that. This is not done those way. If you have signed MOU with Edo people, that you have signed MOU, use Edo people to sign MOU through China, come out and let them know about this. That you are there to protect their life. But tell me, the many souls that we have lost by Fulani X-Men in our various bushes, you have not even come out to address that. Even the one, just look at the recent one, the one the Ishan people come to, Ishan's sons and daughter come together and empower the vigilante you negotiated from the government house. The way you did not even issue a statement from your platform to say, I appreciate my Asian brothers and sisters, I believe if all the local government begin to do things like this, the insecurity in our state will less. No, you don't recognize them for that, but you recognize them now when it come to the vaccine. Listen, no duema rami manodum where wodo onyeme. Oh, sorry, my do is not too clear. Please, I'm very sorry. Onyeme ga say no duema. E no duema na ga mi no duene ni ma. Onyeme ga say no duene. Hey, Baba, wa talk by Apostle Alfred. You know, sir, wa talk by Father. I greet you, sir. I don't know if you understand. The more problem we face in Edo State right now is not the vaccine. I am not against for anybody. I'm not trying to say what the governor says is wrong. No, he's right. He's protecting the life of Edo. But at the same time, it should also protect the life of Edos when it comes to the Fulani X-Men, the bandits terrorizing our state. Our governor have not even issued a statement for that. Asian brothers and sisters pay nothing less than 60-something million or 40 or 30-something or 20-something million to empower the vigilante. The governor may inaugurate on the 5th of January 2021. The governor did not even issue a statement to appreciate his brothers and sisters so that they will have more encouraged to do more. But today, our governor is in ITV. His page is full of COVID-19. But your brothers that did your job, that did what you are supposed to do in a salon, you did not appreciate them. Is it by calling one person that you know that is in your cabinet that belongs to Asian group? No, you are supposed to issue a public appreciation to them that my Asian, Edo Central, Edo North, Edo Nenemi, Edo, you guys are amazing. I appreciate you for assisting me with this. But our governor have no time for that. Who were using Edo you sign MOU with China? His Excellency Godwin Ogega said, you use Edo people to sign MOU with China. When you come say Edo people want start to take vaccine, as Nigeria vaccine outreach during last year, even called it this year, Edo State was the most lowest state that our state say we contact COVID-19. Edo State was one of the lowest states. Why is it now that Edo State is now? Yes, but I believe you for that. Apostle Alfred, I believe you for that. Just that most of you back home, I know on a pain. I know what you guys feel. You guys don't have that right to talk much. Because when you talk much, who you know may not be your enemy. And who you know may not start looking for you. I know why some people that is supporting the governor and people that is not supporting the governor, why most people don't say, I know they talk. No. If you see the Africa, you dare, don't say, fear not let you to talk. Except you get second address, which is your visa is always available. Anybody that you see that is talking about politics in Nigeria, he gets second address, his visa is always available anytime. If you have not the ticket, but not like them, Apostle Alfred. He must play along. That's why when you see people criticize him, I don't criticize Awa. Because I know the pain. I know what he's passing through. Nobody is paying him. The governor is not paying him. He was having a court case. Nobody give a fuck about him. I don't know. Now you and I. Now you go also like me 1,000, me 200, me 400, me 100 naira. You have the card. You have the subscription. That is important. But the truth is that we must ask our governor. Now COVID-19 be our number one priority. Okay, you want to vaccinate your Edo State. If you want me to take vaccination, which palliative have you make arrangement? What is the arrangement for them? As far as you be technocrat, you want to imitate Western world. What have you? What is the preparation? Is it not the palliative that was brought the other time? That you guys went to go and put it in the Kenyatta medical store road. Notimana la jabati we paracetamol no na yagbun. So now you are bringing another strategy again with that palliative. No, Mr. Governor, you are not doing this right. You are not doing this right. Mr. Governor, please. The masses trust on you. Believe on you, not because not the money you share for social media. No, what you are doing right now, automatically, anybody that you that will take that you will bring out, you will have a lot of work to do because there will be no trust against her. Edo State people expect more of your work, more than what you are doing now. You are working like a mini pizza. Your work is not moving. You are not supposed to be participating when it comes to what you know that your masses will not be happy of. Governor of Edo State, your masses believe in you. And if you spoil this road, the person that you will bring out, believe me, sir, Edo State people, when they believe on you, they believe on you. When they want to turn back on you, they turn back on you. Sir, we are appealing. There is a lot to do in Edo State. Not COVID-19. No. Our brothers are suffering. Our mothers are suffering. Our sisters. Bandits are disturbing them. Fulani herdsmen, kidnapper, robbers. Sir, you have never issued a statement about that. Your brothers and sisters that came together to buy your vigilante equipment, you did not appreciate them. You did not. But also the COVID-19 is a question. Is SNS called we know yourself basically. Two where you say if you do your sign MOU will be with China. We should know. Ewebomeji have never taken vaccine. But I do the test regularly. I never take. Yes, I can show you my result of me doing the test and all those things. But the vaccine, I may appear because I may time the which I want which go motivate me. So is excellency God will not get us basically. Your number one priority na road not the Bini. Do a man and me would they tell you now. People may say you want to train me, you want to go to monitor church, mosque, this thing. Why can't you train them to be monitored Binia Unchi Road? Why can't you train them for them to be monitoring some part of our forest that Fulani herdsmen have taken over? Sir, go to Odigi. They don't live in their various house again. Odigi don't longer go to farm again. Go to Odigi community. Sir, in case you don't know, let me start mentioning name for you. Why can't those people you want to train, you want to use this one to train some all those people you are training, they are irrelevant. Whether it's police, why can't you use those police to be doing roadblock in Bini Aunchi Road, in Odigi? I'm not from Odigi. From those areas of Ovia, some part of Ovia is filled up with bandits. They get their own camp. Now they sell land. Because fear not let you go enter your farm again. Not be Fulani can get them. Fulani herdsmen not the way Africa. Be from Ikbubaka and Oredo. Fulani herdsmen here Kenije. But our mothers, thank you so much, Baba Apostle. Our mothers that is being brutalized, that is being raped. Our sister, most of them are pregnant today or no pregnancy. Tomorrow if they're born Fulani. Or no pregnancy by the Fulani X-Men, by the bandits, by the kidnappers, by the robbers. So His Excellency, you are supposed to do more than this. You are technocrat. You are a silent man. You are supposed to be doing things that we all, as in, hey, not be so will be fair talker. Let those that have that second thought that you cannot deliver, put them to shame according to the people that campaign for you. Except you are going to those all of them that campaign for you on social media. You are as in you are trying to kill their career if you did not deliver according to what they pass, what they preach to the people of Edo State. Their word is gone. Because nothing that we bring out again on social media that anybody will believe there. Sir, there is go to Bini bypass. Aunchi bypass is not go area. Go to Benin, Sapele Road to Warri bypass is no go area. Dead road. Go to Ekenwa Road. Some part of Ekenwa Road, sir, is no go area. Only road you can drive Benin that you'll be very happy is that new road from Airport Road to Sapele Road. And that new road from PZ to down, and from that Egypt, some part of Egypt, popular Egypt junction is no go. PZ and along that opposite SDD Motors, along that Sapele Road, and inside Eworia, there's some one place that you can that the road is be channeled to upper environment. We know what the apple for Benin. We know they Benin. If you ask me to tell you, say, you tell me one area in Benin, I will tell you, give me not a few hours, I will tell you the result going on there. Because I burn my data, I burn my research card on Benin issues every blessed day. Just to know what is going on in my state. For me not to, it's better for you to be informed than to be deformed. Sir, the people that fought for you, don't disappoint them. And those that believe on people that fought for you, don't disappoint them, because if you disappoint them, you automatically make them know that no, you will know what they think. Not be only to come out because they speak English. English we are mayo. So His Excellency, road not dey Benin, security not dey Benin, hunger dey the land. Everybody is living ra. Yes. Everybody is the DPO on himself. Everybody is the commissioner of himself. Everybody is the whatever of himself. You are supposed to be looking into this, the life of your masses, not COVID. Yes, you are doing this to save the life of those for dangerous COVID. But what is dangerous more than COVID? Though people are be facing it. Number one, sir, bad road, no light, no good. Some schools are very bad. Kidnappers, robbers, Fulani X-Men, killing our mothers, our fathers, our sisters, our brothers. Wetin keep person? Wetin call dangerous past that one? COVID-19 that we don't even know what COVID-19 looks like. We don't know what COVID-19 looks like, but we know what Fulani X-Men looks like. We know what kidnappers look like. We know what armed robbers look like. We know what bad road looks like. We know what no electricity looks like. We know what where there is no good school look like. We know what where there is no good water looks like. Sir, you are close to 5 years now, in case you never know. You are not a magician that we transform Edo according to what your social media and those people project to the good people of Edo State. That you are going to change it, you are going to transform Edo as in the twinkle of eye. Everybody support, but I did not support anybody. I don't like politics. I don't talk about politics. I talk about when it comes to masses. I've never campaigned for anybody. I've never voted for anybody. And I've never even say support this person. But I talk when it comes to masses. Sir, listen, this is your 5 years. Listen, 2022, everybody start campaigning underground. Sir, which time you want to work? Which time you want to work? Let me tell you, except Abi wants to use that political strategy for us. Don't forget, as they break, now so they civilize, now so technology they come up. We know you guys now that 2 years to your retirement or to your for you to bring that person that we take over from you from 2 years to then, you guys will start working, forming, doing this, doing that, appointing, just like the way you did on your second tenure elect. You start giving SSA. A brother that I know him, he's still crying now that way at the SSA near mommy. He goes SSA, or when your mama waiting your body, you go ya Daniel, we hey, I'm not the SSA to the government, or what where am I paying? Or what am I paying? Or we go walking in your body, ya Daniel, or we ban your gualigo near yapi, or what am I paying? Just like the way you were doing it before. A few months or a few days or a few years to your to the second tenure, you start appointing SSAs. You start bringing out jobs. You start bringing out some opportunity. People feel that, yes, you can do more better. You can pay with Ilsomo power plant. You can pay with good road. You can pay with good schools. You can pay with Gelegele seaport. You can pay with security. You can pay with heaven and earth. Sir, Osiomo will not see plant. We don't know where it go. Gele, we don't know where Gele pass. Gele, that one, we don't know where it is. Road, we don't know where a road pass. Talk less in a road. Light, we don't even get light. We don't even get light, Mohammed. Talk less in a light. School, we don't even get school. Talk less in education. Facility for us where pass come. Sir, those was your promise. Those was your major campaign. Those was your word. You said you don't want to share money. You said we don't need godfatherism. We shall accept that. That a state cannot be run by individual or the name of you are the one that you were succeed. The energy you were using to speak about the Oshomole, to make sure it come down from the national. I wish you use that energy to make sure this energy now, that energy use against Oshomole and all those things, and use that energy to focus in Edo. I think by now, out of your end promise, I think we will be done with 50. We will be done with 50 by now. But His Excellency, I'm not here to say you are not working or you are working, because I did not campaign for you. I did not campaign for anybody. I did not vote, but my family did. I don't know who they vote for. But the truth is that we are here to talk about the masses, sir. You can't force our people to do what they don't want. If you know you have signed MOU, you have used Edo people to sign MOU with China, you can gather your cabinet, for your cabinet to pack their individual and use them to replace. If you provide facility of like palliative, the security is not going where, they will have the mind to go and vaccinate. Say, okay, we'll go to take a vaccination. We'll go and vaccinate ourselves. But not say the Fulani Esme don't kill our papa, our mama pass what is it called? COVID-19. Our governor never talk about that. So now COVID-19 is more special because money go pass there come. No, it's not acceptable. It's Excellency God will never pass. It's not acceptable by God. It's not acceptable by human. Check them now, sir. Go on the street. Go on the street, sir. Leave Osadebe Avenue. Sir, walk on the street. Look at what your masses are saying. Look at the complaint of your masses. Don't believe on those people you think you put them on the feet. Most of them are there on their own. Look, that's why people talk as not to show the man because he might dating with Paul. But then we do see him on the street. You want to see what the masses are saying. You want to see the mind of the people. You want to know how they feel. Sir, he just said, walk on is your state. Your father is from there. Or your mother. You are the son of the soil. No matter, even though you are a governor, you still have the right to take a walk on your own land. Take a walk on your land. Huh? Take a walk on your land. Look at how your land looks like. Look at how your state that you are governing looks like. But our governor don't have chance for that. Governor go governor forum. Governor Godwin Nogega Obaseki, our governor of Edo State. He go governor forum. You see all the old governor go wear their traditional, as in their state, any state made for they go wear their shirt. Bayelsa go wear their Bayelsa shirt. Warri go wear their own. Igbo go wear. But our governor, you go see on a coat he go wear or on a suit on the collar. Emyobo. Emyobo ya jukme do. Emyobo. If you Calabar, they go dress their Calabar shirt. You go see Rivers, they go wear their River shirt. You go see Igbo go wear their own. They are governor also. But if you do, a governor give me, we are with a coat or he made a coat with a base suit. Or manager blue. Or light dark. Light black. You can never or sleep nana. We would you do adawe ben we are or we na ovie do mambe pastor Sagi Zeyamu or ye olu ofori me rain forever. Mambe go me go nana gan man I don't know as I want to talk man go pass boundary. But we go for the me they go for worry that day for olu ofori una no see wetin pastor una jukmento. O magbe koti de governor gimano or whatever what be suit. Oh what be suit. He don't represent us. Governor Lao, I beg. We don't this vaccine is good though. I don't say not good, my people is good. But if the governor do the right thing, it's good. But if he not do it, check your heart, Mr. Governor Godwin Nogega Obaseki. Bandits don't keep people for Edo State more than Fulani men don't keep people past COVID-19. Hunger don't keep people past COVID-19. Homeless people, they don't die past COVID-19. Fulani X-Men don't keep people past COVID-19. What is it called? Kidnappers, robbers. Sir, your state is no good area in case you never know. Your state is sitting in a gunpowder by the ends of this Fulani. It can explode anytime. As I'm talking to you, Odigi, some part in Edo State, Odigi, they can't access their farm land. It's been taken over by Fulani X-Men. Now they called Inyangi Hyunto Odigi. If Fulani Yogi Hyunto. Sorry, I get call before. Call yours they penetrate my phone. So that is the truth. Some part in Edo State is fed up by Fulani S-men. Our governor have never issued a statement to take the Fulani away from our forest. The bandits. Chase them away by so-called people you said you want to train to be what? Monitoring what? Churches? Christians? Mosques? No, it's not done that way, Mr. Governor. That's why I said I will be very polite so that I should not use some vocal word. When it comes to masses, I'm very paranoid and sometimes I may not be too good in addressing issues. But this one I want to calm down in case of any intellectual come across the video, we know what I'm talking about. This one is not hate. This one is not jealousy. This one is not say because I'm PDP or I am APC. You guys know me. I don't participate when it comes to politics. I have never supported any political party. Since I start talking about masses, I have never supported any political. My elder brother is in Obaseki cabinet. My elder cousin, my elder brother is in Obaseki cabinet. My first cousin too is in a Zeyamu cabinet. So that's why I don't participate when it comes to politics. Since I start talking about masses. So that as I'm talking right now, you will not think that now because it's Zeyamu no way, not be Zeyamu you support. Now make you call the fire Obaseki. No. Now not be, you know Sikoto can say he not be on a campaign for Obaseki. Nana may not the work. Now you want to call the talk. I don't know if you understand. That's why I was so, as in, I come so low that no, I will never participate when it comes to politics for my own personal selfish interest. No, let the interests of the masses be at my first place. That's why you see that time of politics. I did not say, hey, Obaseki is the best. Yamu is the best. No, I was focusing on the masses. So as I'm talking right now, you will know that I'm still talking, not because I hate the governor or I did not like the administration or because I'm supporting one person. No, I'm talking as an Edo son. And I'm talking as, at least for the masses that my name carry. My name is Dada Masses. Before you give yourself name, make sure you are ready to walk according to your name. You cannot say you are a pastor and you are doing something that does not represent that your name. So when you see me talk about Masses, it's because my name carry that name, Dada Masses. So I want to appeal to the governor of Edo State. Look at all these issues that I've listed out. If you can at least do some issues, then go and tell Edo people to go and vaccinate themselves. They will be very happy to do it. But now they're in hunger, starvation, insecurity. They can't access their farm. They can't do their businesses. They are all afraid of the unknown. So you can't force those people. I think that is my opinion today. So His Excellency, please, if you know see those Edo people, sign MOU for China. Let us know so that we'll know how to start from there. That is my opinion, and I think my opinion is needed or is not needed. So if you think, if you are a body, you are the governor's lover, you must think about what I'm saying right now, whether it's right or it's wrong. So I come in peace, and I will also go in peace. Dada Masses says so. Stay blessed and shalom. Stay blessed, my people. Dada Masses is my name. I represent masses.